In this video, guys, I'm going to tell you the very products that I recommend to my own patients as a family doctor for some of their common ailments, from constipation to earwax to dry skin, to your ouchies, to your rashes, you name it. I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. I am not sponsored by any of these products. I'm not getting paid to mention them. This is really actually what I recommend to my patients in the office. So let's first start with earwax. Yes, earwax. I've done plenty of videos on these, but oftentimes when patients come in, their earwax may be hard. I like to recommend DRUGSTORE. This is a solution like an ointment to help soften up the wax, to help it come out on its own, or to allow us to remove it more easily in the office. All of these products that I'm mentioning to you are over the counter at your local drugstore. DRUGSTORE is one I recommend all the time. The second thing is, constipation, right? Constipation is so common. One of the products I love to recommend that's over the counter is Miralax. That's right, you might have heard about this. Miralax is over the counter, but this is one that I love for constipation. By the way, I gotta say this, before you try any of these products, run it by your own doctor, because even though I might wish I were your doctor, I am not. So make sure you're checking with your doctor first. Next one is dry skin. That really dry skin that gets cracked and stuff. I've done videos on that too. Some of my favorite products, we've talked about this. I love Eucerin, okay? I have a lot of this all over my own house. I recommend this to my patients. I also like Cetaphil and CeraVe. Those are ones I like as well. But another product that I recommend for dry skin, for your lips to keep them moisturized, for all sorts of stuff, is good old Vaseline, petroleum jelly. Yeah, I use it. I've told you guys this before. I literally have this at my nightstand because I put some on my lips every night before going to bed. I usually use it as a moisturizer. Talk about all-purpose. Love the Vaseline, okay? For ouchies, for injuries and things like that, of course you need some Band-Aids, but you know what I love about these Band-Aids is that now they come in multiple skin colors, which I so wish I had when I was a kid. Having brown skin, I never had Band-Aids that were brown, and now there are Band-Aids in multiple colors, which I love. And also for my nieces, it's neat to see them growing up and they've got nice brown skin. It's neat to see that they can wear Band-Aids that actually match their skin color. So go ahead and get the Band-Aids which you need, but you can get ones that match your skin color, which I love. All right, we got two more earplugs. Now these earplugs is so interesting. I use earplugs. Might sound strange, but I hate it when water gets in my ear. So I use earplugs actually when I get my hair done, because I don't like the water to get in my ears. It just throws me really off. Sometimes you may need ear plugs because you don't want your ears to get wet, or maybe you need it for sound protection. These ones I really love. They're like silicone. They're like nice and like firm, and they kind of mold to your ear, and they really do the trick. So I love these. If you need to get earplugs, get some. Maybe the ones that are, the foam ones don't work as well for me. I love these silicone ones. I recommend these. And last but not least is something I think everybody should have in their medicine cabinet. That is hydrocortisone cream or cortisone cream. This is just one example, one brand. I don't care what brand you get, but it's nice to have that in your medicine cabinet for rashes, for anything like that. Again, talk to your doctor about when you should be using this type of cream, etc. But it's a good cream to have for a lot of things. I hope this was helpful. These are really products that I actually recommend to my patients. Make sure before using any of these products you check with your doctor. And of course, as I said before, I am not sponsored by any of them. I'm not getting paid to recommend them. I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. If you have not liked and followed my page, I invite you to do so. For those of you who send stars, I respond to you personally. Thank you so much. And consider joining my subscription group, Dr. Jen Superstars. For those of you on YouTube, hello, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the little bell for updates. Guys, I'll see you soon.